So here we are. From the previous video, you'll no doubt recognize our badly wounded DJI S1000 with our subframe attached. As it turns out, good news, we've gotten our replacement parts in. Here are the new struts. All right, we got 6 of them in case we have another small accident. But this time, we're going to add some structural integrity by adding these carbon fiber sheets behind the struts. The struts will keep it from bending this way, like this, and this will prevent the struts, hopefully, from bending in this direction. And so we will start putting that together. And this time, we're actually going to attach a white cell where these different plates are here to try and give the whole thing a little bit more rigidity than it had before. Watch as we throw it all together, and then we'll try and fly it again. Now we've gotten the new struts in place, along with the carbon fiber extra support there. You can see it. That should give us some sideways strength, help prevent it from folding the way that it did previously. We've added an old white cell to give us a little bit more structural rigidity by connecting the two sides. This thing's pretty stiff now. It also puts the weight closer to what we'll be expecting to be flying with the spectrometer. Put the lid on as well. There we go. Little by little, we'll get her back in the air. I think the next step then is to take her out to Apollo Field and try and fly it, this time with the GPS on, not in manual mode.